just finished 2 cheeseburgers from Dairy Queen. I need to tell them to not microwave them. I know they cook them sometime during the day, but then when you order them, they just scorch them in the microwave, and it's just gross. It's just so gross. So I might get some chicken nuggets at McDonald's and then head home. But I'm enjoying watching this baseball game while I'm eating my meal. But it looks like it's high school. All right. I'm out of here. Oh, we almost caught that catch. Almost got it. Doesn't look like a big crowd, but yeah, it's high school, so it is what it is. I want to get home before the deer get out. Yep. It's been a long couple days. I hope I don't have to go anywhere tomorrow. I love getting the deliveries, but man, I need a few days off for sure. Oh man. Let's get some chicken nuggets and let's get on the road. On the road again. I didn't get any oil. I was gonna get some more oil. Well, I'll check the oil tomorrow and see what it's at. We'll probably find. I just put in a half a quart. But I need to get that oil change done. Man, I am racking up the miles until I get to my next oil change. I'm getting close to 6,000 over. That's pretty good. Yep. What are they selling? Something delicious. And it's still looking real smoky out here too. Oh my goodness. Well, I got my vanilla ice cream and A&W. I'm going to make a root beer float this evening. Get that out of my system so I can get back to eating healthy and fasting, because that's the direction I want to go. I got big goals. Can't be addicted to food. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. There we go. There we go. Now I'm headed in the right direction. It's getting dark fast. It's getting dark fast. Oh my goodness. Well, they might not be open anymore. 9:30? Yeah, they're open. Probably open till 10.
Mobile upset?
No. Could I just get a 20-piece chicken nugget, no sauce?
Is that everything for today?
Yeah, that should do it.
Sounds good, sir. So let's go to 1024.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Good, how about you?
Doing pretty good.
Have a blessed day, sir.
All right, thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Get home. What a day it's been.
Hi, honey. You had a
Hi.
20 piece?
Yeah.
Here you go, dear.
All right, thank you. Have a good
rest of your day.
You too, thank you. All right, let's get home, man. It's getting dark fast. It is getting dark and fast. Oh. Alright, time to shut this off. I need to get on the road. I'll wait till I get to the freeway. Then I'll shut it off. I don't think I've videoed this late in the day, huh? See how what this turns out to be. See how it changes when it gets closer to dark. I've never gotten any... Well, the fireworks, but that was focused on just the fireworks. Alright. Still real smoky out. Go. Let's end this day. I need to relax. It's kind of fun to sit and eat and watch the little baseball game. Just something to do instead of sitting in a parking lot. But man, I can't stand microwave cheeseburgers. I can't believe Dairy Queen does that. And I remember, I just forgot I was hungry, and I'm like, okay, Dairy Queen's gonna be convenient. Let's do that. All right. Have a good night. Talk to you later. All right. Bye-bye.